Hello and welcome to the 6th Q&A session. I really enjoy these sessions to answer any question you have related to company secretary course or any of the subjects in the course. I hope this Q&A session is helping you also. So today's first question comes from a person called Busy Bee, and there, how to prepare latest developments in corporate and tax laws and additional case laws. So the question is very good, and if you are asking this question, that means you know how to prepare for CS exam. So as you are aware, the company secretary exam is one exam where you have to write the latest developments. As per the act and as per the company secretary rules, it says that you have to write the amendments which is up to 6 months before exam. So you should be updated with whatever is latest. Of course, the big question is, from where do we get the information? The answer is very simple. You may be knowing the Chartered Secretary Journal of ICSI. So this journal is a monthly magazine which is released by ICSI, and you have the physical copy and the free online copy. So online you can just go to ICSI website and you can type Chartered Secretary Journal, and then you can download the journal free of cost. You can see it in your laptop, desktop, or even your mobile phone. But if you want a physical hard copy like a journal or the magazine, you can pay a nominal fee. For students it is at a discount, and you will get the magazine to your house. And this will be helpful because you will have different articles, you have the latest amendments, you have research papers, all the details relating to the amendments and the case laws, whether it is company law, tax laws, security law, economic law, everything is covered in this journal. So that is the first place you must refer, and that is the place where you get the amendments. Apart from that, please try to read the business newspapers. And nowadays everything is available on the mobile phone. You don't even have to subscribe a newspaper to your house. And apart from this, you should be browsing different websites like the MCA website, Reserve Bank of India website, and all the other government regulatory websites like SEBI to know the latest amendments. And if you write the latest amendments, let me tell you, no matter how many marks you're going to get, if you write the amendments, you will easily get extra 10 marks for your whole paper. So if you're getting 50 with the amendments, it will be as valuable as 60. So that is why I'm very happy you asked this question, and please subscribe to all these magazines which is completely free online, and then you can write the amendments. The next question comes from ISGI. So today everybody is not having their names. All the questions are from funny names. Anyway, hello sir, I'm a little bit confused that in executive what I have to study. Actually the study my notes or ICSA study material. I have June attempt in 2019. So for this the answer is very simple. First you should study the study material. Once you finish the study material, then you go with the notes, or obviously with the study material your notes also you can do it. So one chapter you study, for that chapter what notes you have made you can study. But please remember, your core should always be the ICSI study material. In fact, I have made a video 8 books to study for CS exam. So please refer that video. I will also leave a link in the description below so you can refer that, and that should be your approach for study. And if you are making notes, very good, because I always tell the best notes is the notes which you make, not the notes which somebody gives. And that notes will cover all the points in your own style. So that is why study the study material along with your notes. Next question comes from Sanjay Bishnoi. Can we do CA and CS training at one place? So I am thinking you're asking, can I do CA and CS training at one place in one time? You can do it in one place but not in one time. That means after CA training you can do CS training, or after CS training you can do CA training. But together you cannot do. The ICSI and ICAI will not allow you to do that. So whatever the training period you have in CA completed, then do CS training, or ulta, you can do first CS training, then do CA training. You can do it same place, different place, that is your wish. But then very important thing is the training period cannot be together. It has to be one after the other. Jai Shankar Singh is the next question. He says, Sir G, do you provide any professional module service like executive paper check? Yes, we did. Last time also we had the service where we had mock exams and we did the corrections. We had a small fees for the corrections along with comments. So many students took that service. So this time also we will try it, and we will announce it to you for CS professional also. Thanks for the question. Next question comes from Muthu Lakshmi. It's really helpful and understandable for me, sir. Kindly provide some videos about registers and records. So we have provided many videos like what is common seal, what is the ultrawires, what is compounding of offense. We have many videos on company law which is on our channel. You can refer that. But if you want the full lesson, you can also purchase our online course. I will leave a link in the description below about the phone number which you have to call if you want the full online course. Next, we have Nitin Sharma asking how to write company law paper for new syllabus. So the new syllabus question paper is not yet out. The first paper will be in December. So even I don't know how they're going to ask the question paper. But my feeling is that the question paper will be very similar to old syllabus company law. So whatever strategy you have there, you can apply over here in the new syllabus also. And I have made an entire series where we have a playlist of the entire question paper of company law which I have solved. I will also leave a link in the description below. Please follow it. And please don't get worried. Many students are getting worried. Old syllabus, new syllabus, there is not very big difference. Yes, in executive, they've added one subject, that is financial management. But apart from that, the core of the syllabus is very similar. It is not like all the subjects have changed. Only they have done little bit of mix and match and they've added one subject. So don't worry about new syllabus, old syllabus. According to me, it is almost the same. There is nothing to worry. Next question is from Amruta. Hello sir, I registered in May 2018 for executive. As per the information gathered, I am eligible for one module, but I received a mail stating about pre-exam in module 2. Please let me know, am I eligible for both modules or only one? You are eligible only for one module, but when you pay the fees for pre-exam test, you must pay the fees for both the modules, and you may have got a mail like that. Please remember, pre-exam fees test is paid only once. So once you pay the fees, you don't have to pay the fees again, and also you can take the pre-exam test how many ever times. So if you don't clear after 24 hours of every test, you can take it. So for the exam, you are eligible only for one module, but you must pass the pre-exam test of that module whichever you want to take. And in the next attempt, you can take the pre-exam test for the other module, but you don't have to pay the fees again. So since you paid the fees, you got that mail, don't get confused. You are eligible only for one module. Sakshi Pal is asking, sir, I am able to study first module in 3 months. So it's a question. I am appearing for December attempt. So she's asking, can I study one module in 3 months? Of course you can. There are students who have studied even in 2 months, and I have made a video which is called as 2-month study timetable. That 2 months timetable, it can be applied for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, whatever you want. So please watch that video. I will leave a link in the description below, and if you follow that, definitely you are going to be able to prepare. And many students have followed that who have watched this channel, and they have come out with flying colors in the exam. So that is why I request you to watch that video and make the study timetable, and then you can definitely complete in 3 months. Next question comes from Pradyumna Gupta. Hello sir, I want to do MBA with CS and I am now in the second year regular college of Delhi University. So sir, is MBA good with CS? So this question many students keep asking me even when I meet them. So one thing I want to tell you, if you want to do MBA, my personal suggestion is please do MBA only from the top B schools, like the top 20, 30, and you should go in the separate line of MBA when you want to do that. But along with CS, doing any other MBA, in my personal experience, it is not a very big advantage. Just because you do MBA from some small college, when you go to job, they will not give you extra salary or extra responsibility. Doing the CS course or CA course or CMA course are professional courses. So when you do professional course, that has higher value than doing MBA from any small college. If you do MBA from a very big college like IIM or the other top B schools like the top 20 or 30 in India, then it is worth it. Otherwise, in my opinion, in my experience, what I have seen from my teachers, what I have seen from my seniors, people who are working in companies, my friends, there is no big advantage if you do MBA. So my suggestion would be is put all your time, put all your effort, finish the company secretary course first. And then if you want to, you can do MBA at that time. That time nobody is going to stop you. You can even do correspondence MBA from any of the open university like Indira Gandhi National Open University or anything like that. But then please think of doing regular MBA if you are already doing CS. CS course requires lot of preparation and study and dedication. So finish that, put all your effort, concentrate your energies on one thing, complete it, then you can definitely do MBA later if you want to. But generally, there is no big advantage just doing any MBA along with CS. If you at all you want to do LLB with CS, that is having high value. The last question in this Q&A session comes from Urvashi. Your videos are so good, it is easy to understand. Thank you very much. Can you upload some videos on tax laws in CS Executive? We have done that. So if you have observed some of the videos which you have uploaded in the last few days, Vishwas sir has made some short videos on tax laws which you can refer. And also, if you want the entire tax course, you can buy the online course which Vishwas sir has made, and you can contact the number in the description below. I really enjoyed this Q&A session. Thanks a lot for watching it. For more such videos, subscribe to Ekcel Academy, and also leave your questions in the comments below. I will address them in the next Q&A session. Thank you.